We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
Lord Jesus.
Zooming through the sky. Little Einstein. So on this lovely morning, we're on our way to Caymanas River. It is located, we're in St. Catherine, run by Caymanas Estate. So yeah, that's how we got this morning. Until the dark. Yeah. So making a quick stop. It looks so. Making a quick stop before we go to the river. Quick stop and Antigua. Hey Jamzi. Don't it? No. You're wild, Jamari? You can swim? Kinda. You can swim, Ari? Can you swim? You can?
Oh, you know what I'm saying?
Them don't want to go river. Them a party pooper.
Oh, yeah.
Party pooper. How much a pound for them?
120.
If you weren't so wild, you could come to the river. But we have to watch our head back and watch yours.
We're going to the river?
No, you can't come. Because they're going with bare foolishness. Bye bye, Ari. To the river.
I want to come.
You want to come too? Mommy not going to make you come. Mommy not going to make you come. Next time, yeah?
Nobody tell her about it, Shanika.
She asked me where I'm going.
On the road.
On the road, Ari. I'm going on the road. Okay, baby. She said we are going on the road. $5. Good morning.
Good morning. $1,000. Go on all one?
Yes, darling. We're over your name now, because we usually call it Caymanas River. It does name Nature's Paradise now.
Cha-cha boy.
Hey, them changed the name. You can go across the bridge if you want.
Cross which bridge?
Like the little flat bridge. I bet you go over this, so.
Right there, someone can park there, son?
Go over the bridge.
Now go over there.
He might call you for go over the bridge.
I know where I'm from.
Thank you.
I know where I'm from.
Taking my picture.
Here, yeah.
What you say?
Why am I taking picture? There's the camera, I take the picture. Not so bad. Think it that more park. Go so.
So,
That thing say?
me I go so. Me in a crowd.
Oh, you don't want to see a car until that is a river, you know?
Where?
Right, that's what the river is.
No, I'm not care for them things.
Alright, so over here in a tree bud. I mean, them have them changing room now. I guess because the holiday, that's why them charging $5 to come in. But yeah. When we are picnic, it never used to be like that. We'd have to change outside, so I mean, improvement is nice.